Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you're going to see how to find out who shared my reels on Instagram. So to do that, head over to your Instagram application, and once you're there, head over to your profile and make sure you have made your account a professional account or a business account to get the insights, because if you just post any reel to see to see who shared your reels or how many person have shared your reels, you must make sure your account is a professional account. Because let me show you, like I have posted this reel in from my professional account, and if I just tap on the three dots icon on the upper right corner, then just go to view insights. Then here you can see in the overview section there and views, watch time and interaction section, there are the share numbers and account engaged and profile activity. So from here I can just know that who shared my reels. So yeah, this is how you can do it too. So make sure to make your account a professional account so that you can get your insights. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.